This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, May the 5th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system, a fairly weak one, moving through the center part of the country that could bring some showers and isolated thunderstorms to the area today. Another one coming into the Pacific Northwest, and another one exiting New England. Here's the watch warning map, or the lack thereof a watch warning map, fairly quiet across the country. QPF chart. This is precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock. This will take into account a few storm systems, thus 3/4 of an inch to maybe 1.25 inches of rain possible across the state from these multiple systems. Let's take a look at it. The 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. today. You can see that trough over New England, another one over the center part of the country, and a one coming into the Pacific Northwest. Down at the surface, you can see there's that weak front moving into the state that could bring in a shower, maybe an isolated thunderstorm to the area. Amounts will likely be in around the 1/4 of an inch range. Heading into Friday, that storm moves off. Southerly winds are still taking hold as another storm system is quickly on the heels of the last one, which will be to the west, which may bring some rain in on Friday night into Saturday, which is here, as the storm system is exiting Saturday afternoon. So a Friday night into Saturday morning event is likely to take hold then. We head off to Sunday. You can see another storm system west of the state, which could bring some showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm late Sunday night over the western counties of the state. Monday, low pressure over northeastern Colorado with a possible front south of the state, a warm front that could, with overrunning, could bring some rain, showers, thunderstorms. We may have to look at the possibility of some severe weather. Again, here on Tuesday of next week, low pressure is now moved over to about Lincoln, Nebraska. A lot of the rain will be north of the front, but there could be some isolated thunderstorms possible south. Wednesday, that front is still in the area, the low to the east, another one to the south, some rain over the southern counties. So this could be a prolonged event with some rain and thunderstorms. Thursday, a week from today, you can see that front is still to the south of the state, and the southern parts of the state could still see some rain, otherwise mostly cloudy skies and cooler conditions. We head off into Voodoo country. This is May the 14th. Big upper level trough over the east and the Great Lakes, but the big huge ridge into the central part of Canada. Down at the surface, very cold air, a 540 line down into Iowa. That could mean some trouble. And here we move to May 17th. That trough is still there, so cooler conditions will prevail for quite a bit of the middle part of the month of May. And we move to the end of the forecast period on May the 20th. It begins to break down with a bit of the ridge still over Canada and a trough moving in, undercutting it west of the state. Down at the surface, storm system west of the state, but in Voodoo country things will likely change as we move closer to this time period. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.